Hey guys, it's Emily from the Strathroy-Caradoc Summer Day Camp, and today we're going to be doing a craft. The craft that I've selected is a corner bookmark. So let's get started. Here's the materials that you need. A glue stick, scissors, a ruler, a black marker and a pencil, and some paper of your choosing. So your first step is you're going to take your construction paper and you're going to measure it and cut it to be the size of a square like this. So you need to have it 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. That's why the ruler comes in handy. So you're going to take your ruler and you're going to measure so that your 15 mark line, and then you go across like this. And you measure to the 15 mark line again. And I'm going to draw a line so it's easier to cut. I'll do a line up to the top as well because I already know that's 15 centimeters. Okay, now you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut the square. If this is challenging for you, you can get help from a parent or a guardian or an older sibling who might be able to help you out with that. Okay, so now that we have our square, we're going to flip it so it looks like a diamond. And then you're going to take the bottom corner of the diamond and you're going to fold it up to the top. And make sure all the lines are touching. And you've got a nice straight crease. It can be a little tricky sometimes, but do the best you can. Okay, so then you're gonna fold it like that. And now you're going to take the right corner and you're gonna fold it up to the top like that. You're gonna do the same thing, make sure it's a nice sharp crease. And you're gonna do the exact same on the other side. So it looks like a smaller square or smaller diamond now. Okay, now you're going to unfold the two corners. And you can see that there's a silhouette here where those lines are. You're going to take the top first piece, not the back, but this piece, and you're going to fold it down to the middle just like that so that it's not crossing over that other crease. Now you're going to take the right side and you're going to fold it like that and tuck it behind the piece that you just folded over, and then give it a nice push and crease so it stays together. And now you're going to take the other side and do the exact same thing. And there you have the simple first part of the bookmark, and then now it's ready to be decorated. And now it's time to decorate it. So I take a piece of scrap paper of a different color that of my choosing, and I kind of just rough hand this one instead of measuring it out, because you can kind of just cut it as you go. And I cut a square, again, that's smaller than the corner piece that I just made now. And I take it and I put it in there. So it looks like a mouth sort of. And now I take the glue and I glue the back like this. And I slide it in again. And I just press it down and stick it in so that it stays. The next part that I do is the eyes. So I take another piece of scrap paper, white scrap paper, and I fold it over so that I can get the same eye shape. I just kind of eyeball and do it without a stencil or anything, but if you want, you can. You can use coins, work really well for this, like this pennies or dimes, or even if you wanted a bigger nickel. And I just cut a circle like so, and then you have two so that they're the exact same. And then again, I take the glue and I just put the glue there, and I stick it on the one spot, and I do the same to the other side. Okay, and then the last step that I'll show you is putting the black marker to make it look like eyeballs. So you just do a little black circle. You can make them cross-eyed or you can just do it normal. Doesn't really matter, you can kind of have fun with it, I guess. And so that's the first part. And then now you need to make the teeth. So you're going to take another piece of paper, I'll use the same paper, and you're going to cut jagged lines, like triangles, up towards the straight piece. And they don't have to be perfect because they're kind of fun if they don't look perfect, I guess. And you're just going to keep doing that until you have a long enough piece to put inside of the mouth of the bookmark. I think that's probably long enough. Right, so now I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the top of the mouth, just on the top, so that I can stick it to this part of the bookmark. So I'll stick it like that. All right, so there you have a monster corner bookmark. You can also do, I've seen owls and tons of other different kind of looking ones, but I thought monsters were the coolest. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and stay safe.